अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। यूट्यूब के चैनल गाइड टू लर्निंग इंग्लिश में आपका खैर मकदम है। मैं हूं मोहम्मद शहाबुद्दीन, एक शानदार वीडियो के साथ। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने एक अंग्रेज़ी तकरीर लेकर हाजिर हुआ हूं जो कि आने वाले 26 जनवरी के ऊपर है। कुछ हजरात ने मुतालबा किया था कि आने वाले 26 जनवरी के ऊपर मुख्तसर सी अंग्रेज़ी तकरीर पेश की जाए। मैं आपकी खिदमत में आज लेकर हाजिर हुआ हूं और उसका उर्दू तर्जमा भी साथ में दे दिया गया है, लेकिन तर्जमा आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक है, उस पर क्लिक करके मिल जाएगा। उस पर क्लिक करेंगे आपको तर्जमा मिल जाएगा, यानी अंग्रेज़ी तकरीर तर्जमा के साथ मिल जाएगी। आप आसानी के साथ समझ सकते हैं और याद कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा मुफीद होने वाली है। आपसे गुजारिश है कि वीडियो को आखिर तक देखें, सुने और समझें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Respected chief guest, honorable president, affectionate teachers and the audience. Today, 75th Republic Day is being celebrated with a great pomp and show in each and every part of India, especially in schools, colleges, institutes, madrasas and other educational places. National anthem and patriotic songs are being sung in the beautiful tone and joyful voice. Every individual of the country are rejoicing and beaming with happiness and joy. Dear brothers, India had been free from the control of British on 15th of August 1947, but 26th of January 1950 is given much importance just because of becoming India's self-governing country and complete republican unit on this day, as well as the Constitution of India came into force in the same day. Dear India is the biggest parliamentary, secular, democratic country according to population. Its constitution has few special and important features. All citizens are tied and woven into garland of common democracy without any discrimination of religions and nations. It means the sense of democracy is that the people of all religions have full right to live in India and roam around freely. Also, they have right to enjoy the rights enshrined in the constitution properly. The audience, each and every part of India witnessed an unlimited pages and papers are plagued with the fact that more than 60% Muslims, ulamas, elders and leaders sacrificed and immolated their lives along with other religious leaders in order to set India free. Then the country got free from the British control. Muslim and non-Muslim alliance and support drew and threw British rule out of the country. But now it's very regrettable that communal and sectarian forces strongly desire to divide the country in various parts and destroy it by leading India with poisonous policy and purpose. Dispute of Gujarat, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarnagar, Jamshedpur and so on, murder of Muslim by mob lynching, killing them in the name of love jihad and slaughtering the cow, arresting educated youth and students in the blame of terrorism, attack and conspiracy against renowned and successful institutions are clear example of downfall and destruction of this country and democracy. Let you tell me, dear Indian, is this celebration only because of that lots of rules are yet only adornment of papers and beauty of books in spite of strength, law, system of India? Is this celebration only because of that the ringleaders and helpers of Babri Masjid dispute and other conflicts are moving across the country fearlessly as innocent, while the crimeless and clean-handed people are behind the bars? Is that why this celebration? It is certainly defeat and end of democracy. Dear fellow Indian, political leaders misuse the power and the Dear fellow Indian, political leaders misuse the power and pass the bill with negative thoughts and abominable intention that are caused to big troubles and unbearable difficulties for public, especially for minorities. Many bills have been passed and laws have been made in the last few years with bad purpose, which clearly indicate that there is no room for us. But we have the great determination and strong intention for that. We will never let it be so. We can't let our elders' struggles freedom fighters' sacrifices and lawmakers' sincerity waste and lose. We can't let the country be ruined and exterminated in the name of religion and nation. We, the people of India, will definitely vivify the lifeless and insentient democracy. We'll surely make people aware of real sense and meaning of democracy. We have protected this country before and even now will do so. We can't lose and misplace this lovely and precious country like bird of gold. इंशाल्लाह हो सकती है ज़मीं अपनी भी जन्नत जैसी, हो सकती है ज़मीं अपनी भी जन्नत जैसी, ये सियासत के फरिश्ते नहीं होने देंगे। लाख तलवार उठे फ़िरका परस्ती की मगर, लाख तलवार उठे फ़िरका परस्ती की मगर, ए वतन हम तेरे टुकड़े नहीं होने देंगे। वाखिर दावाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।